What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to be unboxing Wolfenstein 2, the new Colossus for PlayStation 4. I picked this up on sale from my local GameStop store for about $20. After tax, it came out to about $24. So really a pretty decent deal. Yeah, so basically this is the successor to the original Wolfenstein, and I thought the first game was pretty good, so I thought, you know, why not go ahead and pick up the second iteration and see what the second iteration in the series is all about. So anyway, so here's the box. We have the box art right here on the front, and on the back we just get some more information back here talking about the game like usual and various different things you can come to expect. And then right here you can see some of the tech specs that it has. So it's a single player game. Unfortunately, it's not a split screen or anything of such. It requires at least 49 gigabytes of hard drive space, DualShock 4, and it is also PS4 Pro enhanced for those of you that have a PS4 Pro console. Anyway, let's go ahead and crack it open now. Okay, let's peel the plastic off here. Alright, so let's go ahead and now open it up. And so, nothing too out of the ordinary. We just got the game disc right here on the right-hand side as usual. And then over on the left side, we just have our little booklets and documentation. So you got an advertisement for the Evil 2, or the Evil Within 2. I really haven't ever heard of that game before. Then we have the basic little guidebook that shows you controls, warranty information, and everything of such. So that's basically it for this unboxing video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below. It is greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up button as well. That's also much appreciated. And if you guys have any questions or comments, section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So yeah, with that all being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed once again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.